Welcome to Decor Shows, your creative space.
What is the open kitchen cabinet trend? The open kitchen cabinet trend is a new way to design your kitchen. It's all about giving you a more modern and sophisticated look, while also being practical for day-to-day use. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets that are hard to clean and hello to this new trend. Because most kitchens are dark from floor to ceiling, opening up the back of your cabinets and putting some glass on your shelves will allow more light into the room. This is a great idea if you enjoy spending time in your kitchen but have a small apartment or home, because it will give your kitchen a spacious look. Open cabinets also make cleaning so much easier. Cleaning behind closed cabinet doors can be very difficult, especially when you have a lot of appliances sitting on them. But with this new trend, there's nothing stopping you from giving those cabinets that needed scrub after months of being neglected. In addition to all these benefits that come from open kitchen designs, it has been said that they actually increase your resale value as well. This might be thanks to the sleek look they give off, or it could be because they are easier to clean and take care of, which is always a plus when selling your home. Either way, if you're thinking about remodeling your kitchen in the near future, then consider giving this trend a go. You'll be surprised at how much it changes the look of your kitchen. How to design open kitchen cabinets? As we mentioned, there are so many different options when you want to give your kitchen the modern look. But just like most trends, starting off simple is probably best. You don't have to go all out and rip down that wall between your kitchen and dining room just yet, just try out one of these simple tricks first. Open shelves for appliances instead of cabinets. If you have various appliances on your countertops, then this is the perfect idea for your kitchen. By opening up the back of your cabinets and having open shelves for your appliances, you can give them some space to breathe while also making cleaning so much easier. No more deep cleaning every few months, just grab a duster or sponge, wipe it down, and put it back. You might be thinking that this doesn't look very nice or that it will cheapen the look of your kitchen, but that's not true at all. This is actually a great way to make your kitchen feel more contemporary. Having different levels of shelves and appliances around the room can make it feel more spacious and modern. Use glass doors on cabinets instead of solid doors. If you want your cabinets to be more open but don't want people to see every little thing that is in them, then putting some glass cabinet doors on them will accomplish both goals. You can simply leave any appliances or dishes out of sight by closing the door, and everyone will think that your cupboards are totally open.